Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna do a little something special. We're not reviewing any products. I have this iPad right here. It's my mom's iPad actually, and the screen broke. I'll show you on the video where the screen is. It's got a huge crack going all through the middle, so I'm gonna attempt to repair it. I just want to say this is by no means a guide or a tutorial. This is just me trying to fix it. I don't know if I'll be able to. I've never done anything like this. So hopefully I'll be able to fix it at the end. And for this, we're gonna be using an iFixit toolbox that I ordered from their website. I'll post a link down. They are not sponsoring this or anything. I really like their tools and their stuff. So let's see if we can fix it, all right? Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video and you had as much fun as I did. Final thoughts on repairing the iPad. That was a little harder than expected. The only issue I had, to be honest, was trying to separate the screen. The glue would not come off. I don't know if it's because the iPad has been under extreme heat for a long time with the weather down south, so it might have like glued a little extra. But I had to pull out a heat gun. The heat thing that came with the kit was not doing the job, so I had to get out my my heat gun, and I was able to do it with that. After that, everything was pretty simple. Just unplug and plug and then stick back up. So I'm pretty happy with the result. My only issue was just taking the screen off. All right, so hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe, give a like, and stay tuned for more videos coming your way, okay?